Hey guys, it's Matt again, back at it with another episode in our how-to series, and today we're going to be talking about our global search bar. There's a couple features in the top bar that you'll notice, a couple little icons. I'm going to describe those first, and then we're going to go into what the global search bar does and how it can give you access to any amount of data in your account that you're looking for. So think about it. You can find a project, you can find a workflow, you could find a financing plan, you could find anything you want in that search bar. It has access to the entire account based on the permissions that you have as a user. So let's go ahead and jump right in, and I'll show you a little bit about the search bar first, or the top bar first, and then we'll get into the search. So once you get into your account, you're going to notice the top bar up here. And in the top bar, you're going to have your search feature. You're going to have a time clock. So this is going to be on the desktop version, much easier on the mobile version. You're going to have a bug and feature request. So if you need to request a new feature or you have an idea for something, I invite you to submit that, because we do actually take action on those very, very quickly. So if there is something that we believe that is going to help some of our customers and we can implement it very quick, we're going to implement it as quick as we can. So just remember, always do this. If you have any sort of idea, even if you think it's impossible, please submit it. We're going to try to find out a way to figure that out for you. So after the bug and feature request, app news. So if we need to push you any news, you're going to see this icon light up and you're going to have notifications on that. Your internal chat. So chat with your employees or chat with even support. So if we are online, you can actually access a chat directly here. Just go into the support and it will tell you if we're online or not. Typically we're on 8 to 5, but that light will light up when we are available. Next thing, you're going to have your notifications, which is all your standard notifications, tasks, alerts, messages from customers, messages from internal employees, so on and so forth. And finally, tasks. So all of your tasks are going to be in here, delegated, blocked by me, so on and so forth. Look into the tasks video for more information about how we organize all our tasks, but they're very, very useful, especially to find out what is bottlenecking some process in the organization. And then of course you've got your user profile, edit your profile, your company information, any integrations that you have, see your login history and sign out. We've got light theme and dark theme, of course. So if you prefer a darker theme, you can do that. And then we also have the system. So it just changes the theme based on what your Windows or Mac operating system is set on. Particularly, I like the light theme. I also like the dark theme sometimes, especially like if it's late at night and I'm working in my office, I'll turn that dark theme on so I can kind of relax a little bit. But all right, now let's talk about the meat and potatoes of this, which is the search bar. Anything that you have entered into a table in or any module in the system, it's going to be searchable within the search bar. So if I look for a account Danny demo, and we're going to see, number one, this is a little bit weird because we have a user named Danny demo. We also have a contact named Danny demo. We're on a demo account right now, so it makes sense. But so I can look at that user and I can find out, help them maybe reset their password or change some of their information, maybe give them access if I'm an administrator. We can also look at Danny demo and we can say, all right, look at the contacts Danny demo. Danny demo actually has a lead associated with him. So we can see his lead. Now I can also look at Danny demo here and see his project. So if I want to pull up and look at all of the stuff within the Danny demo project, I can see that very, very quickly by just searching in that top bar. Now it doesn't only have access to customers and projects and users, it has access to so much more. You can look at workflows. So if I wanted to see a HVAC workflow, I could see what does our install workflow look like. I could see contacts that are associated with HVAC. So this might be an HVAC company that is hiring us to do a project. We're going to see all HVAC related projects. So those are going to be seen in there as well. So you can really use this top search navigation for just about anything. It's going to bring you down to literally the line item of whatever you want. So if you want to look at lead forms, we're going to see a website contact form for roofing. We're going to see job site workflows. We're going to see all the trades that we handle, the contacts. We're going to see projects. that are specifically referenced for roofing. So I highly suggest that you try to utilize that search bar when you can. It's going to make life so much easier finding things. Even if it's a setting in the system, you can use that top search bar for it. So anyways, thank you guys so much for being patient and sticking around with me today and learning a little bit more about what all is in that top bar. As simple as it looks, it can get a little bit complex because it can get a lot of data for you. So if you have any questions, naturally always use that get help section on the left sidebar, or reach out to your customer success team and they'll be able to help you out. So glad that you joined me again today, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks.